Hello Wellin Art Museum, hello Hamilton College community, this is Michael Rakowitz. I'm in my studio here in Chicago. It's January 27, 2021, and our most recent panels that are being added to our exhibition of Room H from the Northwest Palace of Nimrud are being picked up today to be shipped out to you, so I wanted you to have a look at these, and we'll be documenting the packing process, and we're very excited for you all to receive these around the 4th of February. And we just want to thank you all for your patience and all the love you've been giving to the exhibition as we've been continuing to make these in the midst of a global pandemic. Our process has of course slowed down, and so we've developed this system here where we have pods of 2 people in to work on the panels each day, and this is only one of our sites. We have pieces being picked up from multiple sites today, as all the studio assistants have been working from home in some of these cases. So big gratitude to the entire studio team, and we can't wait to see you. We can't wait for you to see these, and inshallah we'll all be together sometime in the spring. I'm gonna walk you through some of these, okay? I'm gonna put on my mask because there's a lot of people coming in and out today. And we're going to walk through the studio. To the back room. Here's Francis Lee, who's the project manager of the Northwest Palace of Nimrud project. This is a video that I've been asked to do for social media for the Wellin Art Museum. So I'm not on social media, so I have no idea how to do these things. Here's another one of the panels. And this one is really cool. This one is panel H3, and it has this area at the top that you see is a recess. And when it was excavated in the mid-19th century, Henry Layard didn't know what it was for, but we've since found out that it was actually a form of ventilation and allowed for air to pass through from room to room. So it's Neo-Assyrian air conditioning. And so these are the areas that have been removed by the archaeologists as they broke up all of these things and sent them to different collections in the West. So there's multiple layers of the violent history of extraction that's a part of these works. So we'll be documenting throughout the day. Check this out. These panels are going to fit through this door, and then they're going outside into the frigid temperatures of Chicago and down our back deck. I should say that my studio is actually the 2nd floor of my house that I share with my wife and my 2 kids, and so this will be a really fun process. They're going to bring a cherry picker out here and lower the panels one by one. So we'll see you in a little bit, and thanks for watching.